Struggling to power your SATA hard drives or RGB controllers without adding bulky cables? This SATA 15-pin male to Molex 4-pin female adapter offers a simple, clean solution. It lets you convert an existing SATA power connector into a Molex power source, making your setup neater and more efficient. Imagine having a high-end system with limited cable space, like one built around the Corsair AX1500i power supply. Adding extra Molex cables can clutter your case, especially if you want to keep everything tidy and showcase RGB lighting. This adapter lets you avoid that hassle by using free SATA power plugs already available in your system. The real advantage here is convenience. Instead of rerouting or adding new cables, you simply plug this adapter into your SATA power line and connect your Molex-powered device. Whether it's an Asus ROG RGB controller or any other component requiring Molex power, this adapter fits seamlessly behind your hard drive cage without disturbing your existing setup. Beyond just neatness, this adapter is RoHS compliant, ensuring it meets environmental safety standards. That means you get reliable performance without compromising on quality or sustainability. It's a small addition that makes a big difference in your build's overall look and function. One satisfied user praised how this adapter solved their problem without changing any cabling. They had 3 free SATA power plugs tucked away, and this adapter converted one to Molex, powering their RGB controller effortlessly. The result? Addressable RGB lighting and a clutter-free case. If you're upgrading your PC or adding accessories that require Molex power, this adapter is worth a look. It saves time, reduces cable mess, and keeps your build clean and professional. No need to buy new cables or modify your power supply, just plug and play. Ready to simplify your power connections and keep your system organized? Try this SATA to Molex power adapter when you're ready to upgrade. It's a smart, practical addition that helps you get the most out of your hardware without the usual headaches.